How to meditate, a step-by-step guide. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, finding a moment of peace can feel challenging. Meditation offers a powerful way to center yourself and cultivate inner calm. Here's a guide to help you start your meditation practice. Find your space. Begin by choosing a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your home, a park, or anywhere you feel at ease. Create a calming atmosphere, perhaps with soft lighting or soothing scents. Get comfortable. Sit or lie down in a position that feels comfortable for you. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a chair with your feet flat, or even lie down. Keep your back straight to facilitate easy breathing. Set a time limit. If you're just starting, consider setting a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration. Knowing you have a set time can help you relax. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your abdomen expand. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing the rhythm and sensation of each inhale and exhale. Observe your thoughts. As you meditate, thoughts will naturally arise. Rather than trying to suppress them, acknowledge them without judgment. Imagine them as clouds passing in the sky. Notice them, then let them drift away, returning your focus to your breath. Use a mantra. If it helps, you can incorporate a mantra, a word or phrase you repeat silently. This can anchor your thoughts and enhance your focus. Choose something meaningful to you, such as peace or I am calm. Cultivate mindfulness. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and the feelings that arise. Embrace whatever comes up, allowing yourself to be fully present. Gently return your focus. When you find your mind wandering, and it will, gently guide your attention back to your breath or mantra. Be patient with yourself. This is part of the practice. Close your session. As your timer signals the end, take a few moments to gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Reflect on your experience. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel. Notice any changes in your mood or mindset. Consider keeping a journal to track your meditation journey and the insights you gain. Meditation is a practice that deepens with time and patience. Start small and be kind to yourself as you explore this journey. Each session is a step toward greater clarity and peace. Embrace the stillness and remember that you have the power to cultivate calm within. Happy meditating.